Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure iPhone and iPad are signed into the same Apple ID and updated. Once done, open Settings on each device and tap your name to verify the account, because Calendar Sync uses iCloud identity. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled, and preferably connect both devices to the same local network to speed initial sync. Now proceed to enable iCloud Calendar. This is the first actionable step to start sharing events between devices immediately. Next, you enable calendar syncing through iCloud. On both devices, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and toggle Calendars on. That tells Apple to keep events mirrored. Once enabled, open the Calendar app and pull down to force a refresh. This triggers immediate upload and download of recent events. Make sure your default calendar and time zone override settings match, because mismatched defaults will make new events appear in different calendars or times. Once configured, changes you make will propagate automatically. Finally, you verify sync by creating a test event on one device and watching for it on the other. It should appear within minutes. If it doesn't, first toggle calendars off and on in iCloud settings, restart both devices, and sign out and back into your Apple ID as needed. These steps reinitiate the sync. Also check iCloud storage and network connectivity, because low storage or poor Wi-Fi blocks updates. If two versions conflict, edit or delete the duplicate event to restore a single canonical calendar.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.